Sanibonani, peace and Vosele. Welcome to Trudy Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, so like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. If there's one thing we need to be honest, Ngoma Khumalo, she's not just a great wife, but also a best stepmother. I don't think Umpilo Msaleko, she was going to be where she is right now if it wasn't for Khumalo, guys. The lady, she's doing a great job in Pilweni Kampilo, guys. So today Umpilo surprised us. Everybody was shocked, guys, after she posted these beautiful pictures. As you can see, Umpilo, guys, she's not just Umpilo anymore. Umpilo, she's now a road graduate according to Lady Londe, guys. Congratulations to Umpilo, guys. Also this year, it's a good year for Umpilo, guys. She's currently graduating. She has just completed her degree last year, guys. If there's one thing Samsaleko needs to do is to appreciate Khumalo, guys. The people are saying right now there's a possibility Khumalo, she will get a car from Umpilo, guys, because she's the one that started teaching Umpilo to drive. I still remember on Utano Sembo season 7, Khumalo was wanted to make sure Umpilo knows how to drive. She did say she's tired every time when Umpilo will call her and say, "Mom, can you come and fetch me a Uber?" So Khumalo was like, "No, you need to know how to drive." One day what Khumalo, guys, she's treating Umpilo njengangane yakhe, guys. You will swear that is Khumalo's biological daughter. Guys, we are saying ukuthi do Musamsaleko see ukuthi what Khumalo she's doing Umpilo, guys. Firstly, Umpilo probably she'll be the first graduate kwaMsaleko enganeni zakamsaleko, guys. So guys, Khumalo, she's not a bad mother, guys. Although she doesn't have her own kids, but she's doing a great job in Umpilo, guys. If she had her own kids, they were going to live the best life, trust me and believe it. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself.